got completely wet in the rain.
What a rain it is.
Here you go. Wipe your hair.
Thanks, bro.
Take this.
Yeah,
Come with
thanks.
me, Geeta. We'll
Okay.
arrange something to eat.
You both sit and talk. By the time I will cook
Okay.
something for you.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey,
oh my God, the current has gone. Jyoti, bring the candle. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, I have kept the candle. Okay, you do your work.
Buddy, do you want to have a drink?
He doesn't require anything.
mommy mixing with soda. Hello?
I'm sorry, brother. I can't come. I have to take my wife to the hospital. Wait for me for a while. I'll be right there soon. Please give me 5 minutes. Don't mistake me, okay?
What? Are you playing with
Hey,
me?
don't irritate me. I swear, I'm in the hospital. The house key's with me. I'll come and open the house. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be right there.
What happened, Prithvi?
He's sitting inside and telling me that he's at hospital? He's just trying to make me afraid. Buddy, I'm getting too afraid. Please come out. Please come out fast. Just come out, man. Don't fool me. Dinesh?
Geeta! Geeta!
Jyotima?
Madam?
Call. Hello? Jyotima? Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Relax. Keep quiet. Don't open your mouth. I said relax. It's just please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Don't shout. It's just nearby. It'll come in a moment. Please. Relax. Just come this side. Come near me. Come fast. Relax. Come. Ghost is trying to kill me! Please save me! Help me!
What happened?
Someone tried to kill me in my dream.
Who squeezed your neck?
A girl.
How was
How was the girl?
That girl was very scary. This is all the plan of the ghost.
Is she a heroine of a Malayali movie?
Oh, really?
It's called a Mohini ghost.
I told you not to go watch a ghost movie in the night.
It is not because of the night show we saw, man. It is the house, man.
In this
There
house?
is something behind the house of this garden, man. That is for sure, I know, man.
Madam, your friend has come to see you. Hi, Sarla.
What an unexpected visit.
My brother's daughter has attained puberty. I just come for that. Since it's on the way, I thought I'll meet you and then go from here.
My son is also grown up
Oh,
now.
come on. How can we know that she's attained puberty?
Hey, when you saw him, he was so tiny. Now he has grown up and has become a big cameraman.
Cameraman?
Yeah.
Where?
They take photographs for the TV serials, no? Like that.
Oh, that
Yeah.
is it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, tell me one thing. Since he was a child, he was very frightened of ghosts. Now, how is he?
My God, why do you ask that? Come with me. I will take you to his room and you see. Come.
What is all this? It looks like a magician's house.
Yeah, for you it looks like a magician's house. But for me, I think I have delivered a magician. Leave all that. You see there? Leave this also. You see there? Actually, bachelors will decorate their room with beautiful photographs of girls. But look at this boy. He is hanging all sorts of slippers here. That do you see where he has kept the slippers? He has hung all the slippers just below my husband's photograph. He says my husband will come as a ghost and catch him. You worship only one god when you sleep, is it? But you see this fellow. One god, second god, third god, fourth god, fifth god, sixth god. Why are you astonished? Now just look behind.
What is this? Looks like a kid's diaper.
Yes, this is for my son.
How will he be looking when he wears a diaper?
I'll always be peeing. That's why I always wear this. If you also pee like me, you can also wear.
No. Isn't he ashamed of wearing this?
He is not bothered about getting ashamed. He wants safety. He calls all the small children and along with them he sits and sees ghost films. Why are you shouting at us like that?
Then what else? Entire room you guys have occupied. Where shall I sit?
You have got a lot of space here. Go and sit there.
I always sit at the center and watch TV. If I sit at the center, only then you'll have security, right?
Hey, did you see that? Brother really likes us a lot.
He is not taking care of us. He is scared.
Very good, very good. Whoever is afraid, come close to me. Come. Like that. Come. They've switched off the lights.
Now you can very well understand how brave he is.
Oh my God.
See how much scared he is.
Oh Jesus, please save me.
Gee, this doesn't look like sweat to me.
He must have passed urine. He is using diapers to escape from others.
Gee.
Hey, you bloody fool. Oh, is it beautiful? Go and love that ghost. Oh, some sound is coming. Oh, what is that? What is
Oh God, some sound is coming from upstairs. Now he'll come running and I have to save him. Go.
I'm coming, Mom, where are you? Oh,
Hey,
Mom,
be
Mom,
careful, be
boss,
careful.
Boss, Mom. Oh, Mom.
What is this? Why are you
Oh,
carrying
that
him?
lizard fell on me.
Okay, my dear son. Enough of sleeping. Come down.
Mom.
She's not your mother.
Huh? Auntie? Good morning, Auntie.
Hey, get up! Get out! Did you hear?
Huh? Is it Auntie's hip? Oh, ghost man! What is this? Whoa! What is this sound? Oh man! Ghost!
Oh,
It's
my
there!
God.
It's there!
One.
No! It's here!
Two.
It's here! No! It's there!
Three.
Oh no! It's here! Yeah, is it you? Shit! Whole night I didn't even sleep. Why are you shouting like this?
Who? Myself?
You did lot of disturbance.
God! What is this?
I'll go to bathroom and come.
Why is he like
Why
this?
are you coming with me? I'll go alone and come back. Okay? You wait here.
Huh? How did you become so courageous?
This courage I won't get even if I die. Even then I'll go alone and come back. I don't want your help.
My dear son, what
Yeah.
mistake I have done?
Then what else? Everywhere you have told that my son wears diaper and he takes me to the bathroom along with him.
That was just a tongue slip.
What is the tongue slip? Will somebody give me Oscar for that? From now on, I'll alone go to the bathroom and come. You'll know how brave I am.
Oh, my brave son, you're so courageous. Go. If you call me from there and say, Mommy, I'm scared, you say some prayers, I will twist your head, I say.
I won't. Psst. Go. I'll do peace singing a ghost song now. Come, fast,
fast,
come. It came, fast, it came. Yeah. Oh, did you see me? I went alone and came back. I don't want your help from now on. Go.
Wait. I will go inside and see what you have done, okay?
Huh?
Oh my god! Devil! Who are you? What business you got inside our bathroom?
Madam, I'm the new bathroom watchman. Sharon appointed me today. I need your blessings, madam. Please bless me.
What kind of a person you are? Why are you doing like this?
Madam, please don't mistake me if I'm telling something. Previously, I was working in another bungalow. Lot of people were passing urine on the wall of that bungalow. Now you tell me, madam. Instead of seeing lot of people, watching just one person is enough, right?
From now on, this guy is my
Yeah,
ATM.
yeah.
ATM?
Anytime mobile watchman.
Raghav, you are the only person who can think differently like this.
Now you sleep. Hey, you, get lost, man.
Yes, boss. Our channel is in #1 position. I just can't believe it. I'm really happy. Oh,
Bless me,
Vasan. Great, buddy. The program Everything is God has improved our channel's position from #2 to #1. You have done a great job. Congrats.
Please be seated. What kind of program are they doing that they're being rated #1 more than our channel?
To increase their women viewership, they have a lot of programs based on various goddesses, ma'am. All their programs is a big success.
Okay, let it be so. In that case, we shall also start off with a sensational, a spiritual kind of program which will be rated first in our channel.
Super idea, madam.
What super idea? Madam, if we do as you say, we're definitely going to fail.
What are you talking?
Just because they are showing God, if we also show God, people who watch will get bored, ma'am.
In that case, do you have any new ideas to prefer?
If they talk about God, we shall talk about ghost.
Look at this, madam. This looks like 100% ghost house.
It's really demonic.
For our concept, perfect location.
Shankar,
Madam?
you sanction it.
Okay, madam, we'll locate. This building is in Mangalore, madam. You can stay there and shoot comfortably there.
Whatever preparations you have, you go ahead.
Sure, madam.
Nandini, do you need somebody to accompany you?
Anchor and manager, I'll select myself. If you could give me one good cameraman, that's enough.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh, good morning. We were just not thinking about the devil and you've come.
Everybody says like that, ma'am.
Ah,
Good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
Very good morning.
Raghav, we are planning to start a new project. Raghav,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
an old isolated bungalow filled with ghosts around. You have to create it in such a way.
Create. Oh, okay.
You have to shoot it and telecast it as a reality show.
Oh, this kind of reality show?
For that, you are the cameraman.
Scaring me, it's become a job for all these guys. Not possible, ma'am.
Why?
It's jaundice, ma'am. It's jaundice.
What, jaundice?
You have not heard of jaundice?
Jaundice?
That's what, ma'am. It's a disease. You've heard of jaundice, right? That is what has happened to me.
But you don't look like you're affected with
You
jaundice.
can't notice that, ma'am. See, while coming, I wore a white t-shirt. Now it has become yellow color, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, he is love with her. Tell him that she is doing the direction. He will agree.
Nandini, why don't you select some other cameraman for your new project?
Okay.
Madam, for this project, is she the director?
Yes,
You should have told me before itself.
that's what I've been telling you all this while.
I said jaundice, right? I can't even hear properly, huh?
Oh.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm getting a call. See this, ma'am. Hello? Oh, is it? My lab reports came? Ha! See, just now my lab report has come. They are saying my jaundice is gone.
Did your phone really ring?
I'd kept it in vibrator mode, ma'am.
Oh. Anyways, you are the cameraman for this exacting project.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good
Thank
luck,
you.
Raghav.
Just because you are loving one girl, you want to leave your mother and go away?
Mommy, you are my favorite, Mom. She's first. You're only second.
Huh?
Oh, wait. Mom, second is bigger than first, Mom. You're second.
Is it so?
Ah.
Boss, we are late. Let's move.
Dress for the focus man is okay. But why do you want this
This
mustache?
mustache is your problem. See this. I will change my getup according to the need of my job.
You're a naughty fellow.
Come.
Bye, Mom.
Oh, bye.
Hi, Pooja.
Hi, Nandini.
Hi, Nandini. Hi.
She is Pooja.
Hello.
And she is Aishwarya.
Greetings.
He is Lightsman Arvind.
Hi.
And he is Arnold.
Arnold.
Hello.
Is this your original name?
No, sir. My name was Kuppuswamy, sir. after I joined this channel, I changed name to Arnold, sir.
Maybe your parents saw your face and kept this name for you.
Super, sir.
Are you Kuppaswamy?
Super, sir.
Hi guys. Just a small slip. I'm sorry.
This guy.
Is Dr. Malik,
Ah.
our MD's family friend. He wants to become a big producer in future. For that reason, he's coming along with us as a production controller. Sir is...
I'm Raghav,
Nice to
cameraman.
meet
She is Aishwarya, touch-up girl.
Oh, I'm Malik.
sir.
Dr. Malik.
What, sir? What happened?
When I touched a finger, I got a shock of myself.
Oh, Magadhira scheme. You have all the qualities to become a producer.
Good morning, madam. My name is Geeta.
Hello.
I am your MD's friend. Your MD has requested me to make necessary arrangements for you guys. She will be your cook.
Greetings.
Hello.
Do you know to cook, madam?
Hey,
As soon as I see her, full kick, getting clean bowled. Ow.
Madam, you have been allotted the last room over there.
Okay.
Pooja, you and your assistant will be taking that room over there. And Mr. Cameraman, you will be taking this room.
If everyone takes a room, shall we sleep in the beach?
No. There's a small room in the car shed. You both will be staying over there.
Didn't I say before itself? That is what is for us. Come.
No. They can stay with us.
Boss, if they also join with us, we'll not have enough space in our room, boss.
Stop it, man. You saw the beach, right? See this bungalow. This looks like a ghost house. If they both stay with us, we'll have a lot of security. Keep quiet. No, Arvind, you can stay with us. No problem. Hey. Why all this, man?
Sir, for the first time, a cameraman is sharing his room with a light man.
There is a separate reason for that. You'll get to know that soon.
okay.
Okay,
Thank
it's
you,
my
sir.
time. Where is my room? Quick.
Sir,
till later.
the MD was telling that there will be a doctor with us.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about you. Since these people are sharing the room with the cameraman, and since there is no rooms, so I request you to take the small room which
He
is
gave
in the
the
car
correct
shed.
space
What
for
are you
him.
talking? Do you know who I am?
This guy started now.
Malik. Dr. Malik. New producer, Dr. Malik. Do you know or not?
No, I don't know.
Hey. You see, I will not stay there. You have a room upstairs, right? I will stay there.
Sir, that's allotted for the MD.
Oh God, somebody tell her.
Sir, 1 minute. You don't get tensed. Geeta, I will talk to MD, okay?
Ma'am, if you say so, it's fine with
Okay.
me.
Sir, you can go stay there.
Thank you.
Boss,
Hey,
why are you waiting here, boss?
hey, I'm not afraid, man. This bungalow is scaring me, man.
They said it's beach bungalow, but there is no beach here.
Beach is behind the house.
Oh.
Wow. Yes. This house on the way to beach is more terrific than we expected. Awesome.
Yes, ma'am. Even if we say there is ghost in this house, everyone will believe it.
Correct, right?
Somehow, this has been decided that we are not going to leave from this house.
Raghav! What are you doing there? Get ready for shot.
No, actually, I was looking for a shot from there.
Okay.
Hey,
Pooja,
put the camera.
stand there. We shall take few shots here and directly go to beach. Pooja, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Action.
Green tea is presenting.
Hello. Just because you're Jackie Chan's height, don't dive like him, okay? Slowly give the entry, okay?
Raghav, I only asked her to jump like that.
Oh, it's you, is it? Okay. Anchor madam, you let me know before you jump, okay? If you jump like this, you won't be seen in our TV, you'll be seen in the neighbor's TV. Hold this, man. Give me that. Tell there is a ghost. Don't act like one, okay?
Action.
Green TV is presenting to you all a new show. Whether there is a ghost or it's not there, whether it's black or white, it'll walk and come or fly in the air.
She's calling a ghost which might be sleeping somewhere.
People over here say that there is ghosts living in this house. I'm very scared.
Is there a ghost?
What, Raghav? You're spoiling everything. We are creating that there is a ghost. Script, Raghav.
I got involved too much, okay? Sorry. Continue.
No one has entered into this house for all these years. But now we are entering into this house. Nobody knows what's going to happen. So please come with us.
Oh, it's okay.
Hey, wait. Pooja, open the door as if you're scared, okay? Raghav, switch on the camera.
Camera is on already. Why did I love her, man? It's become a horrible life for me.
What did you say?
Nothing. I said camera is rolling.
Go. Raghav, follow her.
Back shot is better. I'll zoom it going backwards.
Raghav, go. Go open the door. Raghav, you go that way.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Raghav, what are you doing?
I'm sitting on the pillar, man.
Do I look like a pillar to you?
Huh?
Get out, man.
I thought your hip was a pillar.
Hold this camera.
Oh, how did it come to your hand?
It's okay. Everyone come. Aishwarya, come here. You take a black cloth, put it on your head and cover fully. Go hide behind that wall. When Pooja starts talking, go fast behind her.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, go. When she passes, you just turn back and see her. Pretend as if ghost itself has passed and give build up and freeze. Then you see. People will really start believing that the ghost itself has passed. Yes! Guarantee TRP rates will raise. Aishwarya!
Yes, madam.
First Pooja will tell her dialogue, then I'll ask you to run, then you have to come running, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Pooja, action!
Anything will happen at any moment and nobody knows.
Madam, if you give acting chance for these hairdressers, this is what will happen. They are used to working behind, right? That is why when we told her to run in front of the camera, she is running around the building like this.
No, madam, I'm just standing over here.
She didn't go? Then who was that who ran that way?
Raghav, that time few bats were flying there, no? Most probably they would have passed, that's it, okay?
Is it bats?
Bats.
Bad. It's bad, it seems,
Aishwarya,
man.
get ready.
Okay, madam.
Camera.
Already rolling, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Pooja, dialogue.
When we'd opened that door slowly, you know what
Aishwarya,
happened?
go.
Oh no, somebody just ran away.
Pooja, freeze. Awesome. Come, let's go. Raghav, you
yes,
keep
ma'am.
the camera here. Pooja, you go there.
Here?
Okay, ma'am.
Raghav, you take the low angle shot. I'll be dropping sand from my hand. From other angle, you take the shot of other hand. I'm taking this for starting title. Make it lengthy.
Madam, that thing.
No. That must be beach sound effect.
Beach? Beach sound? She gives logic for everything, man.
Poor lady. Don't know whose it is. Tomorrow morning.
I will drop it in the temple's offerty box.
Damn God, everybody is sleeping. Shh. Hey, tu. Hey. Get up, man.
What, boss?
What is your nonsense? Sleep, man. Let's go inside. Come.
Why are you calling company for going to the restroom?
I'm not well, boss. Please don't disturb me.
Hey, I can't control, man. I have to do it now.
What is this, man? This route is not okay. It is as if these both of them are talking something wrong.
Come fast, man. I have to do it urgently.
I'm feeling sleepy, boss. You get inside, complete the work, and come fast, boss.
Hey, why are you shouting, man? Do you want everybody to know about us? This matter nobody should know, okay? Okay, go. Hey, don't be so urgent, man. Whatever I do it slowly. Enjoy. Oh, I controlled it so much. It's releasing slowly now.
I had my doubts on him right from the beginning. I've never seen a cameraman sharing his room with his lightman before.
What else?
I think he's not straight.
For that only he is there, no?
I think we are like those supplement papers which come with the main newspaper. Maybe he wants to make use of us whenever he feels like it.
All the ideas you only tell him, which is not required for him. I am not coming for this game and all. Leave me alone.
It's going like mineral water.
Over.
Hey.
What, boss? So much time?
Stupid.
Sorry, man. Did I hurt you?
Then what? I'm helping you still. You're taking a lot of time, boss. You're too bad, boss.
I cannot listen to this. You only tell me when they finished.
I always push you like this, right? Is it the first time I'm doing?
But boss, you're too slow in work.
After listening to all this, smoke is coming from my ears.
But I'm feeling really horny now.
You are doing too many pranks. I'll keep someone else for this job, okay?
No, I will be with you, boss.
If that person knows that we know this thing, we both will land into a problem. Before they both come outside, we should sleep off. Come, sleep.
What is this, man? They are sleeping, snoring like this. Small sound, I can't sleep, you know.
You wake them up. They will not snore again.
Is it? Hey, get up, guys. Hey.
Leave us, sir. We are not that kind of a person, sir.
What? What are you talking, man?
Sir, please, sir.
Leave us, don't do anything to us.
Cooperate. What are they talking?
Oh my
Cooperate?
God, these two are unbearable.
Yes, sir.
Your body
We
can't
thought
handle?
You both are that kind of person, sir.
You bloody fools, I'm gonna kill you guys. I'm gonna kill you now. Shut up and sleep here. If I hear sounds again, I'll put you in the bathroom and blast you there. Sleep now. Don't talk nonsense. Stupid people. Hey, what are you doing, man? Go, sleep on the bed, go.
Who's there? Hello? Who's there? Who is there?
Hey, what happened? Ghost. Where is there? Ghost. Hey, what happened? happened, man? What happened? Hey, boss, where is it? Go.
What, boss? Are you making sandwich or what?
Hey, Thu. I'm massaging in Titanic style. Go.
Is that so?
Leave me.
Nothing. It's
Leave
middle of the
her.
night. Come on, sleep. Sleep, listen, man.
Leave me.
Come on, sleep.
What
Come on,
nonsense
sleep.
you're doing?
Why are you hitting me?
Why did you come here?
You only scream now.
Me? I didn't shout. I was just singing.
Huh? Did you sing? Is there a song like screaming?
No, no, no.
It's there, boss.
Which one? Hey, shut up, man. Is it a song? Tell me a good
Sir,
song.
I'll sing. Listen, sir. This moon is shining. Listen to me. Come see.
Love me, close your eyes and love me.
What? You guys playing in the midnight? Go and sleep. Morning we have shooting. We wanted to create that the ghost is there. But is there a real ghost here? Huh. Shooting is going well, madam. I shall call you later.
Nobody's there. She's alone. Now I can track her.
Okay.
Do you have any sense?
Bye.
Huh? I'm here with so much of shooting tension and you're calling me again and again? Huh?
Raghav, come here.
Hey, madam is calling. I'll call you back. Okay?
Come.
Hey, what is this? She's calling me like a puppy?
Why? You're not getting ready for shooting?
Shooting. 24 hours, it's always shooting for you? In this world, everybody is in love and they're so happy. I'm the only person dying here doing shooting.
What is your problem?
You are my problem. Hey, no. My mom. All the time she keeps saying, get married, like that, you know?
Why don't you?
For that, even I agreed. For that, she asked me what kind of girl I want. I had your photo in my phone. I just sent it through WhatsApp, you know? No. Find me a girl who looks like this. That is what I said, okay?
What she said?
Hey, you stupid fellow. You have a wonderful girl next to you. Why are you searching all around? Catch hold of her immediately. That is what she said. Is it wrong? Is it correct or wrong?
Half right. Another half not wrong also. Hey, is everyone ready, sir?
They are all ready, madam.
1 minute, sir. Whenever you are free, can you put this bag in some temple, please?
Sure, madam.
Thanks, but you shouldn't see what is there inside.
Please believe me, madam. You're giving me an important job. See the way how I deal this. You'll be shocked yourself.
What is this? It's so scary even in the morning.
Do you see the sea over here? How calm the sea is now. And during the night, the sea is very ferocious. You will not believe it.
Hey, you hit my person. What do you think of yourself? Our union person will kill you. Come on, work stop. Cancel. With whose permission did you hit him? You have to answer. Otherwise, I'm going to stop shooting.
Whatever strike you do, you cannot do anything against me. Get lost.
You're that a big person,
what is that sound, man?
Cameramen, I will explain to you. Today morning, Dr. Madam had given me a small bag to put it inside the hundil. Since I could not find any temple in our way, I just kept it in my pocket. This man tried twice to take it from my pocket. Is that right? You tell me, sir.
Sir, I didn't hit him.
Sir, he's bluffing. Are you telling a lie?
Hey,
Don't you do
1
that.
second, man. He put it inside the pocket?
Promise, sir.
Two idiots. Stupid fellows. Take the reflectors and fight till you get the blood, man. We can escape from here soon.
We're gonna kill you.
Stop it. I'll ask sorry behalf of them. Is it okay? Enough of shooting. Let's go.
That doctor is too much. We have to teach him a lesson.
Okay. Leave it alone, man.
You're
Let
getting
it go.
scared of him.
It's not like that, man. I'll tell you one thing. Listen.
What do you want to tell me?
Here, shooting should not be stopped. That is why I left him
So?
alone. Otherwise, you should have seen. In the beach mud itself, I would have dug him.
Hey, this ghost cave, where shall I go? Where shall I hide?
Sir, I'm really scared. Please do something. He won't leave us otherwise.
I said something like a fool. Hey, save me, man. Save me, man.
No, I'm going away.
Kalpana is here. Everyone run.
Good God, that fellow left. Saved my life. Hey, hey, what are you both doing here, man?
Hey, being a man, you're putting a leg on me. Take a leg. Stupid.
Aha, you are a big person, man. Remove the hand first. Come on, friend.
Okay. Come, everybody. Looks like he's mad.
Mad guy?
Oh, was he a
Raghav.
madman?
Mad dirty fellow.
Where did you go?
I got a nice sunset shot. Actually, I was taking that. That's okay. Why everybody were shouting here? What, Nandini? You have kept all these covered people around you. I don't like this. For your beauty and talent, all these people are waste. I don't like to work with all these stupid people. See him? He eats so much and he's like a hefty bull. He doesn't even have 1 gram of courage. Hey, what man? Why were you shouting so much? All these bats here will go inside your mouth. Close it.
Tomorrow my first job will be putting this in Undian. Will someone steal before that? This should be inside my pocket, it will be safe. La 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 la. Nobody's here. Then how did the door open? Anybody is here? The bathroom door's open. How is it? I had closed this tab. How did this open now? Do you need all this? I should not have asked a separate room for me. I should get away from here. Director madam! Director ma'am! Cameraman sir! Oh, somebody come and help me! Touch up, darling! She should be touching someone and sleeping now! Is someone here? I'm a strong man. I will open the door and just run off myself. Ghost! Ghost! Ghost!
Sir, I'm not a ghost. I'm the watchman.
Watchman! 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 Please help me!
Sir,
I saw
what
a
are you
ghost
doing?
upstairs.
Leave me!
Please
I said
help
leave me! What are you saying, sir? I've been working here for the past 10 years.
Huh?
You're getting it all wrong. There are no ghosts
Oh
here.
man, I saw the ghost. It was upstairs. Please believe me.
Where did you see it, sir?
You do one thing. You come
Okay.
with me. I will show you. Come quick. You know, it was actually here. Watchman! So till this time I was speaking to a ghost, is it?
Ghost, hey guys, it's ghost, run away, hey, ghost, man, run away, go.
Boss is taking rest there, so let me take rest here.
Hey, where is the ghost, man? Where is the ghost?
Look at that man. Is he doing some new
I've never
idea?
seen something like this.
Stop it! What is this? What is going on here? What are you doing holding the cameraman up there?
Cameraman,
Cameraman.
what will I do now? If I tell these people what has happened, they will all think that I'm a fool. Madam, it's nothing. Cameraman is just trying to check the angle sitting on my top. That is the reason he's sitting on my top. I'm helping as a crane operator.
Correct. Hey, you
Am I
managed
right?
it well, man.
Thank you.
At this time, anybody will look for all this? Go sleep.
Hey.
Something has happened here. Doctor is hiding from me.
Hey, ghost. Hey, ghost. Hey, Thu. Why are you coming inside the blanket, man? What do you want to see? I will show you.
I will sleep here.
Tell me properly, man.
Sir, I am also a part of your family, sir, please.
Family? Our family? You know who am
Sir?
I? Malik. Dr. Malik. You know Sagar? Like that and all you gave dialogues.
Sir, it just came from my mouth, sir. Please forgive me, sir.
Okay, then you said, who am I? What is my level? I won't sleep with these guys and all.
Don't tell that again. Please forgive me, sir. Please.
Oh, you said simply, is it?
Actually, mine is a joint family, sir. I will be comfortable only if I sleep with a lot of people, sir.
I don't think he's straight, bro.
Oh, you are also like us.
Yes, sir.
But then, where is the place? We're already 4 people here.
No, I don't want any big space, sir. You just give me this bed sheet. I will sleep near that bathroom, sir.
Bathroom?
I'm sure he's gonna say yes.
Bathroom, sir, that is my job,
Hey,
sir.
when you sleep, I'll use him, man.
What
Keep
is he
quiet.
telling, sir?
Nothing. Sometimes in his sleepwalk, he'll go to the bathroom and sleep there.
Sir, that place is for me.
Don't worry, you don't have to go there. You can sleep along with
Sir,
me. Yes.
you're very kind, sir.
Yeah, even I'll be there for your
Sir,
safety.
I love you, sir.
Me too.
Did you see that? There's another person joined the list.
Last night, did I see this watchman or the ghost? Let me ask him itself. Watchman, sir?
Good morning, sir. How can I help you, sir?
I have a small doubt. Last night, you had come to our bungalow, right?
No, I'm not supposed to come inside.
You're not supposed to come? But last night I gave you a tight hug. Do you remember? Remember properly and tell me.
So you're behaving really funny. I really think you're gay.
No, it's not like that. You came and gave me a tight hug.
I haven't hugged my wife till date. And you're saying that I hugged you? Oh, stop kidding me.
He's telling that he's not come. Then it should be a ghost, I'm sure. What, madam? Suddenly you're coming just like a ghost? Already my pulse is very weak.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yesterday I had given you one pouch, right?
Yeah, I have it, madam.
Thanks. Doctor,
Yes, madam.
can you send the cameraman Raghav, please?
Okay, madam.
Since I got this thing out, something bad is happening again and again. That day I got scared. Yesterday, doctor. By any chance, are we in the hands of a ghost here? I should find it out.
Tell me, madam.
Shankar, do you know anybody who does black magic and who releases ghost in this place somewhere?
Give me 5 minutes time. I'll check and send an SMS.
Okay, just try it out.
Nandu darling.
Raghav, I'm here.
Oh, love is blind.
Today is second Sunday and there's no shooting.
Second Sunday, no shooting? Then we can enjoy fully. Come on.
Actually, I'm planning to go out today.
Outside?
There's nobody to accompany me. Will you come?
Why are you asking me like that? Just call me. I'll come there. Where shall we go?
That is very dangerous place. To go there, you have to be really courageous.
Why are you calling me then?
Because you're the one who is very courageous.
How did she decide that I'm very courageous? Maybe my mustache and beard. I should shave it. You said only courageous people come here, right? This looks more like a forest. What? Are there any lions and tigers here?
Look at that board.
What? Can you not talk? If you talk, something falls from your mouth? Oh God, if I knew this before, I wouldn't have come here at all. Oh,
Come, let's go.
I'll manage. Coming.
No, I'm not coming. No, I'm not going to come.
Looking at this, even I'm getting afraid. But you don't seem to be scared. You're staring at that. How courageous you are. That's why I brought you here. Yes, come.
Hey, why are you
Come here.
playing me?
You only raped me yesterday, no?
Raper! Hey, Nandini, come here, help me, come here, help me.
What, yeah? You're dancing with ghost and all? Very good. You're very courageous.
My mom always keeps telling me this.
Oh.
I guess you're from the channel.
Huh, yes.
The Guruji's calling you.
Raghav, come.
Who knows, this Swamiji has what kind of ghost? Somehow I have to escape from here.
Raghav,
Huh?
I need to talk to Swamiji personally. Will you wait here? Or else you can go wait downstairs also. Or else you can wait in the vehicle also.
Hey, have you lost your mind or what? I would have been there itself. Why did you call me here, introduced to the ghosts, and asking me again to go there?
You're very courageous, right? You dance with ghost and all? Go, dance with them.
Huh? Should I dance? Is she kidding me or playing a prank with me or is she testing me? How can I believe all these girls? I came here and got stuck here. Everywhere it's ghosts. Somehow I should escape from here. Escape!
Hello, Swamiji.
Namaste. Please sit down. Tell me, what's your problem?
I don't have any problem as such. I'm not able to sleep properly since 2 days. These ghost, devil, are they real? By chance, if you have anything that belongs to them, will they look for it and come behind us?
It will come. If you like something very much, even if it is a small one, it will definitely come. Inside your handbag, there is a small pouch. Give it to me. Give it to me soon. This is a sacred thread of a soul. Let it be here. You leave immediately.
What happened, Swamiji?
No more questions. Leave immediately. Om Hreem Kreem. Put the kumkum down.
I want that tali.
Jai Kali! If you get it, will you leave immediately?
I will go.
Will you come again and disturb that girl? That soul came here and collected that sacred thread. Henceforth, you will not have any problem. You can go.
Is Swamiji lying, keeping the tali for himself? What you're saying, is it true, Swamiji?
What is this, ma'am? You're doubting my Guruji?
It happens in Kali Yuga. This girl is a learned person too. She doesn't know the consequences. Do you want that sacred thread now? Today is Black Moon's day. 10:30 to 12 Rahu Kalam. If you have a black cloth, just place it. From where did you get the sacred thread? Put it there. You will get it back.
Tali which I lost here, how would I get it there?
Do what I say. then you will start believing me.
Ma'am, where are you going? Stop! Ma'am, please listen to me. Don't go there. Ma'am, please tell me what's happening.
Yesterday we shot at this place, right?
Yeah, right here. What are you doing, ma'am? What are you doing over here? What happened, madam? Did you get what you're looking for, ma'am? Oh, Wedlock? Give it to me, ma'am. I'll hold it.
Leave it.
No,
Leave it.
Leave it.
No,
Ma'am,
no, leave
ma'am,
it.
I'm telling you, please
Leave
leave
it.
it.
I'm telling
Ma'am,
you, no,
I'll
leave.
hold it. Ma'am,
Leave,
ma'am,
Pooja,
please.
please.
Ma'am, please.
Leave.
Ma'am! 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 Pooja! Madam, come, let's go from here. Madam, throw that Wedlock!
Pooja, run! Pooja!
Come, let's go from here, ma'am.
Driver, start the vehicle. Hey, hello, don't sleep. Start.
Ma'am, what's happening here? I don't understand
Don't be
anything.
afraid. I'll tell you everything. First, we'll go to Swamiji's house.
What happened, madam?
What happened, y'all? Huh? This, how did it come here? Hey, don't touch it. Driver, go fast. Swamiji, I believe that there are spirits. Kindly forgive us, Swamiji. I took your words in the wrong way. Swamiji, as you said, I got that tali in the same place. But we threw it in that same place again. But we got it again here.
Now, where is the sacred thread?
That we left in the van itself.
Actually, that sacred thread was waiting for someone to come and touch it. Now, even if you want to leave it, it will definitely not leave you. That soul has started following you. Now nothing can be done.
Touching that tali is that big mistake? Is there no solution for this?
As you think, it is not a very normal sacred thread. It is very powerful.
It's a virgin's Wedlock? So you mean to say that there is no way to escape from this, Guruji?
There is only one way.
What should we do, Swamiji?
Can you arrange a girl's dead body?
Female dead body?
You have to arrange a dead body and put makeup on her as a bride. She should wear a silk sari, have kumkum and flowers, and a sacred thread should be tied on her. Your hair, your clothes, all these should be kept in a grave box. You have to keep this at the house which is next to the beach. You should stand 100 feet away from that. And that soul will take all the things which is kept by you. That soul will destroy the body and will take that sacred thread and leave immediately. After that, you will not have any problem.
Okay, Swamiji. Whatever you said, we'll do that and we'll come back. One more thing, Swamiji. Anyways, we'll be standing 100 feet away, no? Can we shoot the spirit coming in?
You have lot of belief on your job. Try yourself. If you're lucky, you will get it.
What is this? Lot of things are happening. Nobody is telling anything. Huh? This lady's watching TV from that time? What nonsense.
Oh no.
Hey, you fool! Who are you, man? You look like a half-burnt dead body. Who are you, man?
Sir, you were the one who called for a body.
Huh? Body? What bullshit? I always wear banyan inside. Body, it seems, body.
Sir, I swear, a director ordered for a body.
Director, Nandini. Did she order body from you?
Yes.
Nandini?
Okay, don't think about it.
Oh, Nandini?
What?
Do you have any sense?
What happened?
Why are you asking as if you don't know anything? You could have got it from some good shop, right? At least you could have told me. I would have brought it.
What I should have told you?
That's what. Body.
Chi. Hey, hello. 12 o'clock we have to shoot. It's already 11 o'clock. Why are you so late?
Ma'am, it's not easy getting a body. There are a lot of formalities.
What formalities?
Okay. Go, carry it and come.
Carry it and come. Is it that big?
The body is really heavy. Be careful when you're carrying it.
What is this, guys? This big body, you are bringing it on stretcher?
Do you expect us to get this body in an Audi car? This is no ordinary body. You'll see for yourself in a while.
Different kind?
I'm really confused. What kind of body is this? Dead body. Huh? I've got the body here in top class condition. Look.
Hey!
Shit, take out the hand, man. Take out the hand.
I'll take out my hand, but what is all this?
Keeping this dead body, we are going to create a drama and shoot it.
Shooting. Hello. What is this shaking, dancing?
Why are you bothered? You handle the camera.
Wow, see? She looks like a bride, isn't it?
Hey, what kind of bride is this? She looks like a black Sunny Leon. Ow!
Why, madam, you're so late?
Leave all that. Is the coffin
It's
ready?
already ready. Please see that, madam.
Where are the carpenters? Go, get the dead body from the Why is this coffin for? Why did we get the dead body? Don't ask me all such questions. After the shooting, you'll come to know everything, okay?
Seeing a dead body, you're getting afraid. Are you a doctor?
You know something? I am a doctor who gives treatment only for the people who are alive. I am not a doctor who checks dead body.
Oh, okay.
Hey, wait. Why are you shouting? Keep that and come back.
Oh God, what is this? Oh, ghost! Oh, man, what is this? Oh God, he's behind me.
Kalpana is here. Everyone run. Run for your lives. Nobody should be here. Everyone run for your lives. Run.
Hey, everyone come. That mad fellow left. Come, everyone.
That is a real ghost. Ma'am told me not to tell anybody there's a real ghost over here. Everybody run! Run, everybody!
Hey, please don't go. My God. Raghav, you're great. Focus it, Raghav. Raghav, focus it. Raghav. Oh, shucks. Huh.
I tried to help you and it has taken revenge on me. It will not leave you also.
Raghav! 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 Raghav, get up, Raghav! 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 Raghav, get up, Raghav! Raghav! Raghav, please get up, Raghav! 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 Raghav, please get up!